Om Shanti. Essence of Avyakt Murli. 28 September 2025. Title of Murli. To stay awake and not sleep in carelessness, laziness or making excuses is the true Jagran of Shiv Ratri. Bap Dada said, devotees observe fasts every year, but you have taken the vow of purity once for your entire lifetime. This purity is the inherent property, personality, and royalty of your Brahman birth. Only when there is not even the slightest trace of impurity can one be called a completely pure soul. To achieve complete purity, you must also give due attention to all four supporting virtues and not treat any of them lightly. Purity is not limited to celibacy alone. Along with celibacy, one must also embody the qualities of a true brahmachari. Furthermore, Baba said, from the very moment you attain Brahman birth, always remember the blessing given to you by the Father. Be pure, be yogi. Do not forget your title. You are Brahma Kumars and Kumaris, not merely aspirants or seekers. In conclusion, Baba said, the Father's current hope for all you children is to bring an end to carelessness, laziness, and the tendency to make excuses. In these three areas, the Father wishes to see your constant alertness. If you aspire to attain a kingdom of great fortune for a long period of time, you must bring the same depth and consistency to every aspect of your effort. Blessing for today. May you renounce all limited desires and become a true image of tapasya. Details are: renounce all limited desires and become a true image of tapasya. An image of tapasya means one who is ignorant of even the knowledge of any desire. Those who think about receiving something only receive it for a short time, but they lose out for all time. The desires of a temporary period become an obstacle to your becoming a tapasvi. Therefore, now give the proof of your being an image of tapasya, that is, renounce receiving any limited respect or honor and become a bestower of fortune. When your sanskars of a bestower of fortune emerge, all other sanskars will automatically die down. Slogan is, to have a subtle desire for the fruit of your action is like eating fruit before it is ripe. Om Shanti. Avyakt Signal. Now ignite the fire of love and make your yoga volcanic. You can save souls from sin and become a destroyer of sin when your remembrance is volcanic. The powerless stage of all souls will be finished by your having this remembrance. For this, you have to remain combined with the Father at every second and in every breath. At no time should you have ordinary remembrance. Let the form of love and power be combined.